Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to find new and potentially good tokens using DEX tools. A lot of people get confused when they open DEX tools for the first time, so in this video I'll guide you step by step. Step 1. Open DEX tools. First, go to dextools.io. This is a platform that shows real-time data of tokens on different blockchains like Ethereum, BNB Chain, and others. Step 2. Check the pairs. On the left side, you'll see the pairs section. This is where new tokens get listed. You can filter by chain, for example, Ethereum, BSC, or Arbitrum. If you're looking for the newest tokens, click on New Pairs. Step 3. Look for basic safety signals. Before checking any token, always look at some safety signals. Liquidity. Is there enough liquidity locked? Tokens with very low liquidity are risky. Holders. Check if the supply is distributed or if one wallet holds too much. Contract. Sometimes you can see if the contract is renounced or not. This gives more transpo. Step 4. Analyze the chart. Click on the token to open the chart. DEX Tools lets you see price movement, buy, sell orders, and volume. Look at the volume. If there are real people trading, that's a better sign. Step 5. Check community and socials. Always check if the token has an active community. You can usually find links to the website, Telegram, or Twitter on the tokens page in DEX Tools. A strong community is important for any project. Final tips. Remember, not every new token is a good investment. DEX Tools helps you discover them, but you must always do research. Check the team, roadmap, and if the project is solving a real problem. So that's how you can use DEX Tools to find good tokens step by step. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends, and tell me in the comments, what do you look for when checking a new token? That's it, Gorillas family. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.